Meaning of duplication.
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 Duplication. Duplication refers to the act of creating an identical or nearly identical copy of something. The result of duplication is that there are now two or more versions of the same thing. This can happen intentionally or accidentally, and can occur in a variety of contexts, such as in genetics, computer data storage, art, and more. When duplication occurs, it can either be beneficial or detrimental depending on the circumstances and the nature of the duplicated item.